Does your dryer have a symptom where it will not start? You may have a bad door switch causing that problem. Or if you have a dryer that runs even with the door open, you definitely have a problem with your door switch. Hi, it's Steve from Parts Select. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to replace a door switch on your dryer. Although your model may differ from the one we've shown you today, the procedure for changing the door switch is very similar regardless of the brand. If you need parts for your dryer, simply visit our website, enter your model number, and we'll have the right door switch for you. Now that we've disconnected the power, we can start our repair. With most dryers, you'll need to lift up the main top to access the door switch. On the model we're using here today, we'll first of all need to remove the lint screen and remove 2 hidden screws below that. Now before we remove these 2 screws, we're going to place a rag in that opening to make sure that we don't drop any down inside the dryer. Now the main top is also secured to the front panel with a couple of spring clips located close to each corner. On this particular model, the easiest way to release that is to simply hold the cabinet while pulling the top towards us and then lift up on it. Now with one side released, we'll simply repeat that procedure for the opposite side. Then we'll just tilt the top back and be sure to have somebody support that or have a wall to lean it up against. Now with any dryer door switch, there will be a harness involved that you'll need to disconnect. On this particular style, there are some locking tabs on both sides of that harness connector that we'll need to release. Simply support the connector and using a thin flat blade screwdriver, we'll just stretch the material near those locking tabs and then separate the 2 halves of the harness. Now with the wiring harness disconnected, our next step will be to open up the door. We'll locate the mounting screws for that door switch and remove those. Now with the screws removed, we can then lift the switch out of the opening and discard it and replace it with a new one. Thank you so much for watching this video. We certainly hope that you now have the confidence to change the door switch on your own dryer. For more videos on appliance repair, maintenance, and cleaning tips, be sure to visit our website. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.